Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on another SSRF lab in Portswigger's Web Security Academy. This time it's SSRF with Blacklist based input filter. So stock check feature. Here's the URL that we're going for, and we need to delete the user Carlos. There's 2 weak SSR defenses that we need to get by. Sweet. All right, well, let's take a look. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I would appreciate that. While this is coming up, let's also look at the cheat sheet I made for this. We haven't used it yet, mostly because we haven't needed it. But circumventing SSR defenses. We can try, since it's localhost, we can try, doing the IP in decimal, octal, removing the first 2 0 or the middle zeros. We can use this DNS address, which has 127.0.0.1 as the result of querying for it. Do encoding, probably not these yet because these are more DNS based or open redirection. So I expect it to be one of these. Let's see what we got. So we want to view details here and check stock, but I need burp on. All right. Let's go to proxy HTTP history. We'll send this to repeater. And send that so we have the original. All right, let's try HTTP. Let's try it without any localhost/admin, without any bypasses. Control U, send. Okay. Now let's try the decimal. Decimal did not work. Let's try octal. Octal did not work. Let's try this one. I could have put all of these in an intruder payload just to, send them all. Nope. Probably would have been a good idea. Let's try this one. No. Let's try URL encoding. Let's go with the local host and take this, copy decoder, paste that here, encode as URL. Where am I? There. Peter, paste. What if, okay. So let's go back through some of the ones we've done. What if it's this part? Client forbidden. That's different. 403. So we're not blocked. We're just forbidden. Interesting. Let's try the same here. Wonder if it's like case sensitive. Oh, wait. There we go. Sweet, we got it. All right. Yeah, that's it. So we're gonna get this, and then we're going to get this URL, and then send that, and we'll be good. So let's start the script. What are we gonna call this? SSRF with Blacklist filter. Bam. SSRF with Blacklist filter.py. Let's grab our template. And we're going to do, well, do we need, no. We're just going to copy this URL. Because there's nothing really to figure out, we're just going to copy this and jump ahead. So I'm not going to request this URL and extract this URL from the response and then use it. I'm just going to go straight to using this. So I'm going to do URL equals. Let's paste this. We need to do HTTP, and we used 127.1. 127.1. Let's capitalize this with a D, an I, and the N. RD, RI, RN. Sweet. And then we need to do this. There. And when URL, this will be URL. I think that's it. So we instantiate a shop, instance of a shop. We set the URL to delete Carlos. We create a parameters dictionary with stock API. And then we do a post with that data and then check if solved. Well, I think that's it. SSRF. Let's check. We have no logs, and we did not solve it. Dang. So how are we gonna, this did not work. Why didn't it work? Let's check proxy. What we get. Where's the YouTube's? This one. We did not get a response back. Well, that sucks. Is that from something we did? Oh, we posted it to the wrong address. Gosh dang it. we need to post it to product stock. Yeah. So let's name this like delete URL, delete URL, and then we'll create another variable. Sorry about that. It's what you get when you take a day off from doing this. You forget everything. All right. This is shop.base URL plus product stock. Woo, there we go. We can log.info, deleting. What's a better? Deleting Carlos. I don't know. That's fine. Okay, so we did solve that. Just to recap real quick, we found a bypass for the SSRF protections by using 127.1 and capitalizing some parts of admin. That allowed us to view the page returned from here, which gave us the URL we wanted. Once we had that, we plugged that in as the delete URL, created a dictionary with stock API and that delete URL, and then hit the product stock page posted to that with our dictionary as the body parameters. And then once we did that, we checked if it was solved. That caused the server to exit to do a GET request against the delete URL, deleting Carlos, which was what our win condition was. Sweet. All right. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.